How to fix messenger call failed problem. So at first what we're gonna do is we're gonna open our Apple Store, and after opening our Apple Store, we're gonna search for Messenger, and after searching for Messenger, we're gonna open our Messenger, and there we can see that there is no update. We have to make sure that our Messenger is up to date. Then what we can also do is we'll open our settings, and we'll scroll down a bit, and we'll search for our Messenger. And after getting the Messenger, we'll click on Messenger, and after clicking, we have to make sure that the background app research is turned on. So yeah, and that is all. And also what we can do if is uninstall our Messenger and install it again, so it may help fix Messenger call failed problem.